Tinubu is afraid of Igbos, and that is why the Northerners too are afraid of Igbos. That is why they want to bring Jonathan back to government. How would you be able to substantiate that? Is that a kind of reality? Why is it that the reason why everything is Igbo?
Let me tell you, my brother, that is the post-war behavior of Hausa Yoruba man. It's a post-war behavior since inception of Nigerian Biafran Civil War. No tribe in the north, no tribe in the mid-belt, even our sister tribe, Idoma and Degala, none of them could actually not express fear while dealing with an Igbo man. Where it is more predominant is in the southwestern Nigeria. Every Yoruba man is afraid of Igbo man. They don't want to embrace you, they don't want to align with you, they don't want to integrate you because they keep on suspecting you that the evil that their father Awolowo did you are still biting your heart. That's why they always stay far with long spoon eating with Igbo man because they did him bad. Don't you know that after the little chicken or hen lambasted the kite when the kite was about to swoop on its cheeks, still, anytime the kite comes closer to where they are nurturing or feeding their chicks, they will start quarreling and they even fly afar to contact the kite in the mid-air over what the kite did not do. That is as a result of guilty conscience. The Hausa man is afraid of the Igbo man today because they know that the accusation that the coup of 1966 was an Igbo coup is a mere empty, vacant accusation. The Igbo man is quite innocent of all those previous accusations that the coup of 1966, led by Mama Hassan Kassina, Colonel Emmanuel Ifajuna, and this our most brilliant young officer, Kaduna Nzogu, who was born and brought up in Kaduna, that could not even understand Igbo language, was an Igbo coup. And that is what orchestrated the fear. The Yorubas, the Hausas, the Fulanis, and other ethnicities in the central north are nothing about Igbo man. They are all guilty. Guilty conscience is what brings about this devilish suspiciousness. You are not suspicious about your brother. You have open mind with your brother. They are very, very suspicious because they believe that they hurt Igbo man the most, and they could have no reason to come closer for business, come closer for anything, for reintegration with Igbo man. Their conscience is biting them. See, Tinubu is not okay with Igbo man because over the years, let's say for 25 years now, from 1999 till date, Tinubu is busy castigating, destroying, fighting. Let me use the word, rubbishing the Igbo man. Since the inception of his regime in 1999 till date, Tinubu is against Igbo man. Why shouldn't he be afraid of the Igbo man? Don't you know that we are human beings? If you fight an animal might not understand because it's an animal. Because what? They have very short memory. If you fight human being, 10, 20 years, human being will understand. Because we are human beings. Our brain is more intelligent, more retentive than computer. Human beings, human brains cannot forget. Tinubu is afraid, Hausa man is afraid. Hausa man mostly is afraid of what happened 57, 56, 55, 54 years ago when they concentrated assault on Igbo man, killing and the what? Maiming, annihilating the Igbo youth, trying to exterminate that race out of the map of Africa. But still, we showed that everything. Today, here we are, the Igbos, the most successful tribe. Let me use capital S, U, C, C, E, S, S, F, U, L, tribe in Africa. It is the Igbos. Upon the whole aggression, upon the whole hostilities, upon the whole animosities, meted against him, the Igbo man, since 58, 57 years to date, the Igbo man is still standing tall among all the ethnicities in Nigeria. Is that not a miracle? Is that not enough for Yoruba man to be afraid of Igbo man? Is that not enough for the Tafa Balawas and his kinsmen afraid of Igbo man? Is that not enough for Ahmad Bellos to wake up from where he is being buried, exhume himself? He will exhume his corpse himself and come out and say, Igbo man, God is with you. Okay, those fear has definition. It portends marginalization. It portends disappointment. It portends injustice. It portends unnecessary hostilities over a tribe that has never ever been found guilty of Nigerian woes. Igbo man, nobody can accuse Igbo man of anything in Nigeria. After 2023 presidential election, hijacked, stolen by Yoruba Hausa man, nobody can ever come out anywhere in the world and say the Igbo man did this or that. On the continent of Africa, I don't mean only Nigerian geography. Igbo man is standing tall. We should never be accused of any crime, or else the sun will stop from giving its light. We're innocent, for Christ's sake. The cause of Nigerian woes, they know themselves. I name them. From northern Nigeria down to southwest. They are the problem we have today. Nigeria is not moving forward. They know themselves that the cause of this trouble. Why shouldn't Tinubu be afraid of Igbo man? Has he finished accusing us of what? Claim of ownership of southwestern land. The land we buy with our money, we are not acquiring or grabbing land in this topography or geography by force. We pay money. Yes, somebody is very, very jealous of Igbo man acquiring Lagos State, acquiring some portion of good portion of Southwest with his money. Go and work hard and acquire land in Igbo land. Nobody is contesting that. If you know you have that blood vein of bravery, you can go down to Onitsha, start acquiring Obosi land and with your money. It's up to you. Develop if you can actually develop
go through the pain,
do well and excel on entrepreneurship, you can buy land anywhere in the world and develop it and become a businessman. Bring development into any community in Africa. You are allowed by the locals of that land. Why are you just been accusing Igbo man of what he does not do? Tinubu is not only afraid, he is scared. The North are not only afraid, they have embraced it. They embrace it, they have accepted it. That we are the objects of liberation and redemption needed in the North over there. This time around, the Hausa man, the Middle Belt has been sensitized, educated by the Igbo man. The danger and the menace posed by the Fulani oligarchy in the North. They are the invaders. They are the vandalizers. They are the oppressors. These supremacists, they come and mount on you and dominate you and instill their Islamic ideology on you. Islamization process can never get hold of Nigeria today. It's because of Igbo man. You can never Islamize an Igbo man. No. They are afraid of us because of whom we are. We are the people that are going to liberate Africa from the tutelage of the British supremacists who worked hard centuries ago to bring us down. Actually, they did, because Nigeria is still down, but Nigeria can never be down with Igbo man. Igbo man is standing tall, Nigeria is down. They are still under the tutelage of British colony. It is Britain that is dictating for them. Each and every regime that comes and goes in Nigeria is under Chattingham House. Instruction from number 10 Downing Street, Westminster, London. Established in 1735. Yes, I say it. Yes, they are under the control of Nigeria and other colonies they have in Africa. They are controlling Kenya. You see why Kenya is boiling? They are controlling Egypt. Egypt boiled and they got their breakthrough. They are controlling everywhere in Africa. Why shouldn't they be afraid of Igbo man? They are afraid because they know that the time has come for the rising sun to shine what? Bright and brighter and brighter. They are afraid of the rising sun. Igbo man is from that land of the rising sun.
That tells you about our Biafran colonies. How do you think we are going to get this thing integrated back to our former status before the Portuguese and the British came?
It has been a long story, and over the centuries, I don't mean years, I'm talking about 200 years ago, the era of slavery, we actually emancipated after being, downtrodden in the new world, started asking questions. All of a sudden, they had to do it. I mean, Bukati, Washington, William Wilberforce, and the rest of them in 1833. Then we journeyed from America down to Africa here, and we started our warriors, because we are warriors. Then we fought the Britain that colonized this part of the world, and actually know that these people that came from the new world have gotten their civilization, or you call it education. That's why the agitation started from the Igbos, Sierra Leones. Many of them, they fought the Britain then. It was not Ojukwu that was the first Biafran to ask Britain or to ask for the sovereignty of Biafran nation. It was the James Biali, and many of them. There are many names in history that sprang up questioning the British to allow Igbo man Biafra on their own. Biafra is older, far older than Nigeria. The Nigerian people that are increasing their voice and shining their eyes and shouting and barking like dogs, they don't know that Biafra is a senior brother to Nigeria. Biafra is senior Nigeria by far. They are not mates. See, let me tell you, 500 years, Nigeria has not come. Biafra was here, trading and doing well with their Portuguese counterparts. The first explorers we have in West Africa, they are the Portuguese, not even Britain. Biafra was here. The John name, he just gave them the name in collaboration with Portuguese. What are we talking about? Nigerian man will just come and be questioning the Kano or Simon or Igbo man. What do you need about Biafra? A Nigerian man that is just waking up from sleep. Why shouldn't they be afraid of us? See, let me tell you, we've done it. We wanted to do it. Britain stopped us until after independence. We took it upon ourselves, and we come out with a struggle, and the struggle lingers and it's still lingering presently.
I don't think Britain want to stop this one.
No. The Britain can never stop it now, because you have other powers, you have other civilization that has superseded the Britain. As I'm talking to you now, British civilization is going down because Arab has already taken over the UK. Arab, the Indians. One day you will actually learn that one Garba or Ibrahim is British Prime Minister. Now, we are talking about the current British Prime Minister have ancestral background from India. He has India ancestry or descent. The current Prime Minister of Britain. So very soon you are going to find out that Arab will take over that place. British civilization is going down. Biafra is coming up. They swore that they will never be allowed and see Biafra emancipate. That's why Elizabeth died. He died his death. Was it not last year? If not 2022. Queen Elizabeth is gone. And Biafra is coming. See, let me tell you, that dream they had was a bad dream for them. Nightmare. The nightmare is Biafra emancipation. It has come. And the British man is going to live forever with that nightmare. Because Biafra has come. And we are going to deny them that benefit they are gaining from Africa. Biafra has come. British expansion of their own quest to colonize, to rubbish, to explore, to exploit African mineral resources. It has come to a halt, an abrupt halt, because Biafra has come.
Finally, why is it that the North is pushing towards having Jonathan to take over 2027?
Afraid of Igbo man.
That's what they say.
They are scared.
They say
they want Jonathan again.
After deceiving Jonathan,
because Jonathan himself is. I don't want to abuse Jonathan, no. But all I know is that he behaves like what, madam. I don't know what I understand. He's kind of president that will come now. He would like to build 5,000 schools there first. Do this hospital there first. Still not finishing with Bayelsa. The most oil state with oil well. Second to Akwa Ibom. He will not ask about expanding development, building infrastructure development and employment development in Bayelsa. He will be busy developing Kano State and Borno States, trying to tell Shua Arab that he's with them. He will turn his back on the southwest, on the southeast, on the south, even the so-called south. He could not do anything there. Because already Hausa has understood Jonathan as an intimidated man. Jonathan is a timorous man. That's why they are asking for him to come back. And today you see, they will make sure that Jonathan come back 2027. That's Hausa mentality for you. They know him as a madam. And Jonathan, being whom he is, all the insult, the whole insult he received from Buhari, the whole insult he received from Jonathan from Tinubu in 2015, he will say, come and do everybody justice. As an intimidated man he is. See, fear of Igbo man is the beginning of Yoruba and Hausa man. They will always be scared and scared until biafra emancipates a sovereignty.